How to untag yourself from a Facebook post. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from your friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Once you're here, scroll down and go over to any post that you're tagged in on your timeline. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Select Remove Tag. Tap on OK to confirm. You'll no longer be tagged in this post. You can repeat this to untag yourself from other posts as well. Following these steps, you can easily untag yourself from a Facebook post. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.